All right, guys, nothing too exciting today, just some little maintenance stuff. Started the day with this fun non-Toyota item. Had to replace my wife's car, which I think fixed some of the electrical gremlins. Wasn't as bad as it could have been, but still took an hour or so to get it out. It's tucked up under the dash. So that was fun. One thing I am going to do is, a while back I did LED on everything on the 4Runner. I did burn out a license plate light. So tried to buy more of the exact same ones. They were no longer existing, which is common. So got some of these, which is fine. I think I got a 10 pack, I think, or I don't know, 10, 12 bucks. I'll link them in the description. But just gonna replace one of these in there. Worked out because one of the wife's license plate lights, which were just old halogen bulbs, burned out. So I gave her LED also. So just gonna swap those out. Which, yeah, it isn't a chore at all. It'll just take a minute, but hasn't been nice enough weather to get it done. So I'm gonna do those real quick. All right, so a quick comparison. This is what came out, which these were bright. There's no doubt about these being bright. There's a lot of LEDs on there. I was happy with these. This is actually still the good one, so. But here's the replacement, which has bigger LED, but not as many. So kind of have tempted to do one of each. And even if they're mismatched, I can see if one's brighter. You know what I think I'm going to? I'm going to put that one back in, because that's the good one. Replace the other one with this and see how they match, just for testing, for my own satisfaction. All right, so I just pulled out the bad one. Let's go in the sun. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but there are actually burn marks on the LEDs, which is interesting. Like, I don't think it caught on fire or anything, but you can see they got hot, and it could be why this one stopped working. So anyways, I have, this is the old one that's still good, and then this is the new one I just installed. And then I'm going to clean up the lenses really good because they get dusty. I'm going to clean them up, button it up, and won't be able to tell in the daylight, but tonight, maybe when it's dark, we'll see what the difference looks like. All right, so after all that, I turned them on and tested them, and I can't tell, obviously, if one's brighter than the other, but I could tell the color was going to be off a little bit, which is enough to bother me. So I opted to take the good bulb from the back, go ahead and put a new one in it so those match, and save that other one because all my interior bulbs are that same original brand. And if one of those burn out, I'd like to have one that matches them so I can just replace that one. So just took the rest of the extras, just keep them in here. So I got them just in case we need them. And got one other thing I want to do. Just kind of something I've been wanting to do for a while. So I've got this baby back here. It's been back here for a while, since Halloween-ish time. And I bet that I get no less than half a dozen people take a picture of him every day on my drive. I just rolled down the window for ventilation, and there he is swinging. People laugh at him. So I had this bright idea. I had this sticker made. I might stick that right there on him just as an extra funny when people go to look at their pictures. Either that, or I might stick it on the rig. I wonder. I don't think it'll show up good up there. I don't really want it there. Yeah, it's going on the baby. Don't usually do too many stickers, so yeah, we're gonna put that on there. We're gonna find out. It actually looks better than I thought it would. Oh, that makes me happy. All right, might as well check the oil. This thing's never burned any, but we're in the shop, so can't hurt to check it, right? And exactly where it should be, and clean looking. That's about 6,000 miles on this oil, so Doing good. Wouldn't expect any different with that AMSoil. And I guess the nice thing about this rig is there's not much else to check. Alright guys, so one other thing I want to do is I want lights in the back here up on the rack. I always forget to check to see how much clearance I have. And that final bar on the Prinsu, the spoiler, I bet I can get a light right in here. Maybe underneath it actually. So that's something I gotta shop for. If anybody has any ideas or suggestions, let me know what you're using back there. I want something low profile that doesn't scream. So really guys, that's about all I got for today. Pretty simple day. I'm gonna do some yard work, maybe fly the drone. So either this will be the end of the video, or I do need to change the propellers on the drones. Maybe we'll do that. Some people might enjoy seeing that, flying that thing. I flew it last night. It didn't fly real well because the propellers are chipped up. Alright everyone, so just found a picnic table at a park. It's open even though the playground is closed. But I wanted to get outside and go ahead and change the propellers on the drone here. So it's going to do that. It's probably too windy to fly, but I might try. I can stay low just to see if it makes a difference. Again, this thing was acting up because it's on the bottom side of the propellers getting chopped up. So got some new ones, going to swap them out. Maybe we'll fly it and just see what we can do. 4Runner's parked over yonder. But I'll get these changed out. And of course, got the hand sanitizer. Took 7 minutes to do that. Changed them out pretty easily. These are factory DJI impellers or propellers. I did get them off of Amazon because they just shipped them faster, same price. And you can see some of the old ones were pretty tore up in there. But it's also important that you replace the screws. Don't reuse the screws because they got new Loctite on them. So I'll keep these as backups. I do have another set of brand new ones just in case, but some of those are still perfectly fine. I'll keep because it can't hurt. And you know what, I think we're going to try to fly this guy, so not too many people around. We'll fire it up and get it flying. I love this little drone. I've had it for a while. Alright, so I don't know how well it shows up, but it is definitely quieter. It's still got a ton of wind, so it's struggling. You can see it trying. But for being this little drone and this much wind, these things are impressive. Alright everyone, so gotta fly a little bit in the wind, which isn't bad. It's supposed to be a nice day tomorrow, so today was a wasted day anyways. So anyways, that's about it for now. Gonna head back and just wanted to throw some stuff together for a video, so get this put together and get it uploaded, and we'll see on the next one, hopefully with something more exciting. It sounds like things are opening back up, so hopefully more sooner than later we can kind of get out to some normalcy.